Divide 585 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 8 and it is 28. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 585 divided by 3 is 195. So this much for today and thanks for watching.